You see what I got here? I got some waffles. You see what I got here? I got some maple butter syrup. Yes, I know it's been opened. My roommate wanted to taste it before me, so I let him do it. But anyhow, let's get into this video.
Dirty humble scrub, dirty humble scrub, like hell or a dirty humble scrub, dirty humble scrub, dirty humble scrub, like hell or this dirty humble scrub, dirty humble scrub, like hell or a dirty scrub.
First things first, gotta put the syrup on. Alright. Let's taste it. Ooh, that's gonna be good. Oh my lord. Alright, let me cut these waffles up right quick. The syrup is kind of runny, but that's okay, because that means it can coat the waffle better. And it is just apple butter syrup. It's not maple. Maple's thick. Apple butter is apples. Look at this. Look at that. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. This is gonna be good. Lockjaw. No, this is, oh my god. I could drink it from the bottle. In fact, it looks like an alcohol bottle, so why the hell not? Oh my god. It's got chunks of apples in there, like puree. Oh my god, that's amazing. It makes you want to chew slow. These are so damn good. Oh my god, Granny, thank you. These are super amazing. Oh man, I'm gonna love this syrup. It can go with more than just waffles. I mean, waffles and pancakes. It can go with peanut butter sandwiches. It could go with, oh my god. Oh, I wonder if I put it in the freezer, if it'll harden a little bit. And then, like, for instance, I peel a banana and then coat it in that. Put it on wax paper and put it in the freezer. Ooh, man. Oh, no, wait. I can't have cold things. I can't eat cold things because my cold sensitivity. Oh man, this just makes me want to eat like a pig. That's so good. It just, whoever created this blackberry patch, if the lighting, blackberry patch. Damn this lighting, I'm sorry. There we go, blackberry patch. Genius. Oh my lord. Wow. Oh my lord. I'm done here though. I'm gonna take my time with the rest of this because it tastes so
good.
yeah. Oh my god, it's amazing. On that note, you guys should get yourself a bottle of this. It's amazing. You won't want maple again. What if I mixed the two? I'm gonna have to try that. Mixed maple, apple butter syrup. That's an idea. Or what if you mix the apple butter syrup in the batter? Would the pancake or waffle taste like apple butter without you even needing the syrup? And if it does, then you can add maple syrup. Oh man, the possibilities are endless. But this video isn't. So, thanks for watching. Peace out. Oh.
I don't know what I'm gonna do with my life, but I'll make it alright. Yeah, I'll be fine. I don't know what I'm gonna do with my life, but I'll make it alright. 'Cause this life